Did you know only 3% of people who buy a Leica actually buy the right one? 97% find out the hard way. And the scary part? Every single one of them did their research. They watched the reviews, they read the specs, they compared the prices, and they still got it wrong. So what did they miss? There's one thing, just one, that determines whether a Leica completely transforms the way you see the world or becomes the most expensive mistake you've ever made. Nobody talks about it. Not the big camera channels, not the official Leica website, not even the people selling it. But I found it, and by the end of this video, you will too. If you leave before then, you're going to find out the same way the 97% did. Let's start with something nobody says out loud. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Leica is not a camera brand, it's a mindset. Since 1925, over 100 years ago, this tiny German company has been making cameras that shaped human history. The protests, the wars, the moments that changed the world, all captured through a Leica lens. And today, in 2026, Leica still makes cameras that sell for anywhere between $2,000 and $10,000, sometimes more, and people still buy them by the thousands. But here's what nobody tells you, and this is where most buyers go wrong. Leica doesn't make one camera. They make 5 completely different camera systems, each designed for a completely different type of photographer. And if you pick the wrong system for the way you shoot, it doesn't matter how much you spend. You will be disappointed. So before I tell you which Leica to buy, I need to tell you something about yourself. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. The one thing that separates Leica owners who fall completely in love with their camera from the ones who quietly sell it 3 months later is this: how do you actually shoot? Not how you think you shoot, how you actually shoot. Are you someone who chases the moment? Fast, reactive. You want autofocus, burst shooting, speed? Or are you someone who slows down, who looks at a scene, waits, composes, takes one perfect shot instead of 50 average ones? This answer will determine everything about which Leica is right for you, because Leica's most iconic cameras, the M series rangefinders, have no autofocus. Zero, none. You focus manually, with your hands, with your eyes, with your instincts. And for the right person. That is the most magical experience in photography. But for someone used to Sony or Canon autofocus, it will drive them absolutely insane. So, now that you know the secret, let's break down every Leica worth buying in 2026, and I'll tell you exactly who each one is built for. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with the most important camera on this list, the Leica Q3. If you're new to Leica, if you travel, if you want one camera that does everything beautifully, this is it. Here's what makes it special. 60 megapixel full-frame sensor, one of the sharpest lenses Leica has ever made, a fixed 28mm f1.7 Summilux, built-in stabilization, and autofocus that actually works. It even shoots 8K video. But here's the thing, and this is why most buyers love it. You don't need to think about lenses. There's only one lens, and it forces you to be creative, to move, to see differently. Some of the best photographers in the world shoot with a single fixed focal length their entire career. The Q3 gives you that discipline, with modern technology underneath. The catch? It costs around $6,000, and that lens never comes off. Who is this for? The traveler, the street photographer, the content creator who wants beautiful images without carrying a bag full of lenses. Who is this not for? Anyone who needs a zoom, anyone shooting sports or wildlife, and anyone who needs to swap lenses for different jobs. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now we get into the deep end, the Leica M11. This is the camera, the one photographers dream about. The direct descendant of every iconic Leica moment in history. 60 megapixels, a rangefinder viewfinder, manual focus only, no video mode worth mentioning, no burst shooting, no subject tracking, just you, the lens, and the moment. And yet photographers who use this camera say it changes the way they think, the way they walk down a street, the way they notice light, Because when you can't spray and pray when every shot is intentional, your photography evolves in ways no autofocus camera can teach you. The rangefinder system is unique. You don't look through the lens, you look through a small window and manually align two overlapping images to achieve focus. It sounds complicated, but masters of it can focus faster than autofocus systems. Price: around $9,000 for the body alone. Lenses start at another $2,000 on top. Who is this for? Serious photographers, street photographers, portrait artists, people who want to slow down and truly see. Who is this not for? Beginners, sports shooters, anyone who needs video, anyone who gets frustrated easily. This camera will either make you fall completely in love with photography or it will sit in your bag collecting dust. There is no middle ground. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. What if you want a Leica but you need modern performance? Autofocus that competes with Sony and Canon, 60 megapixels, 8K video, weather sealing, in-body stabilization, dual card slots, a professional body that can handle anything. That's the Leica SL3. This is Leica for the professional who can't afford to miss a shot. Wedding photographers, photojournalists, commercial shooters. The SL3 uses the L-mount lens system, which means you're not just limited to Leica lenses. You can mount Panasonic L-mount glass, Sigma art lenses, a huge ecosystem. It's the most versatile Leica ever made. The only trade-off? Battery life is modest for such a powerful sensor, and at around $6,500 for the body, you'll need a serious budget for the full system. Who is this for? Working professionals, hybrid shooters who need both photo and video. Seeing anyone coming from Sony or Nikon who wants the Leica experience without giving up modern features. Who is this not for? Minimalists, film purists, anyone who wants the classic Leica rangefinder feel. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. This one is for a very specific type of person, the Leica M11. Monochrome shoots only in black and white, no color, ever. You might be thinking, that sounds insane. Why would anyone pay thousands of dollars for a camera that can't shoot color? Here's why. By removing the color filter array from the sensor, every single pixel captures pure luminance data, pure light, pure shadow, pure tone. The black and white images from this camera look like nothing else in photography. Film-like grain, infinite tonal depth, shadow detail that makes you stop breathing for a second, and shooting with it forces a completely different way of thinking. You stop seeing color, you start seeing light, contrast, texture, form. Photographers who use this camera say it's the most meditative experience in modern photography. Price: around $9,000. For a camera that only shoots black and white. Who is this for? Advanced photographers, fine art photographers, black and white purists who want the absolute best monochrome image quality available today. Who is this not for? Anyone who needs color, anyone who photographs events or assignments, anyone who isn't completely committed to the black and white vision. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Remember at the beginning I told you there was one camera most people have never heard of? This is it, the Leica D-Lux 8. It costs around $1,500. It fits in your coat pocket, and it shoots images that look like they came from a camera 3 times the price. It's not full frame, it doesn't have 60 megapixels, the sensor is smaller, but here's what it does have: Leica optics, Leica color science, Leica build quality, and the red dot. For someone who wants to understand what makes Leica images look different from every other brand without spending $6,000 to find out, this is where you start. Many serious photographers use this as their daily carry and save the M11 or Q3 for intentional work. Who is this for? Beginners to Leica, everyday carry shooters, anyone who wants beautiful images in a tiny package without destroying their savings. Who is this not for professional work? Anyone who needs large prints, anyone who requires the best possible image quality. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. So we've been through every Leica worth buying in 2026, and I promised you at the very start of this video that there's one thing that determines whether your Leica becomes the best purchase of your life. or your most expensive regret? Here it is. It's not the megapixels, it's not the lens, it's not even the price. It's whether you're buying a Leica to perform or buying a Leica to become. Every single person who regrets their Leica purchase bought it for performance. They compared specs. They looked at the numbers. They wanted the best camera they could find. And Leica lost. Every time. Sony has better autofocus. Nikon has better battery life. Canon has better video. But every person who loves their Leica, every person who wouldn't trade it for anything, bought it to become something. A different kind of photographer. A more deliberate one. A more patient one. One who sees the world differently. Leica doesn't make you a better photographer by being technically superior. It makes you a better photographer by slowing you down. And if that's what you're looking for, then whatever your budget, whatever your style, there is a Leica on this list that will change the way you see the world. Just make sure you know which one before you spend a single dollar. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If you're still not sure which one is right for you, I've put together a simple breakdown in the description below. 3 questions. Your answers will point you directly to your camera. And if this video saved you from making the wrong decision or helped you finally make the right one, hit that like button, because somewhere out there, someone else is about to spend thousands of dollars on the wrong Leica. Share this with them before they do. Until next time, go shoot something beautiful.